Okay, three things really quick today. First of all, how do you get vector layers like roads, fields, and such, boundary layers of counties? Really easy, really quick. Use OSM. So you go to plugins, manage and install plugins, search for OSM, quick OSM, install it, and then you can hit the button or you can go up to vector, quick OSM, and then what you're going to do is usually I do canvas extent, but you can do also in and around a village or a town, also layer extent or non-spatial. So we're going to do canvas extent. We are going to do the key. We are going to do trees, and then we're going to query on all values. But for some reason, you can query avocado and date palms and stuff, but I don't care about that. So you run that query, and then you have one success. Here is a polygon of something. We don't know what it is. So let's hit the attribute table and we find out it's apple orchard. So what we want though, second thing I want to show you here is really quick how to make a polygon that has a label that can dynamically adjust with when you edit the vertices. So what we're going to do is we're going to click editing open and we are going to go to the field calculator and we're going to create a virtual field. We're going to call it area. Boom. We're going to put in a function of area, and that is what we're going to do for that. Simple. And so it's 97, and we don't know what that means. 97 what? So we're going to go over to project. We're going to go to properties, looking at units for distance measure feet, units for area measure acres. So it's acres. So 97 acres. This is 97 acres. We want to put a little label on that. So we go to labels, single labels, and we can just go ahead and pick that area, use a better font. I don't know why that ugly font is always on there. Why doesn't that change? Can I change that? I don't know. Anyway, you add that. 97 it says. We're going to just assume it's acres. We can also add, if we want, we can add acres by going to the expression builder, expression dialog, and concatenation on there, and then acres, and we also want a space. There you go. Nice. Perfect. Wonderful. So we have that on there. What if we're going to change this? We want this to also change. Label to change when we change the polygon, right? So we go to the vertex tool. Let me see all the vertices. I don't like any of these. Let's delete them. Let's take this whole thing up, and then it's 151 acres. Fantastic. How quick is that? That's wonderful. So then let's get rid of that. Last thing I want to show you is how do you save this background? You want it for your map, right? So what you're going to do is right click on, this is an XYZ layer. So we're going to right click on that, export, save as, and then you're going to go to, I usually do canvas extent, but you can also do an extent of some other layer, like the polygon layer. That'd be a very, very small image. But then if you do the whole Esri satellite extent, that's the entirety of the planet or so, and that's not good either. So then we just go ahead and give it a resolution of something. We are going to do that, and then you have to give it a name. You do have to give it a name. So also, I don't want this. We'll give it a name. We'll give it a 3. We'll save that, and then go OK. And now it's added to the map. You take away your old your XYZ tile, and then what you can do is here is your saved map, and you have your saved polygon on there too. So hopefully that helped you out, and thanks.